So I'm making this video to go through the process of how to create a program basically from scratch, starting off with a set of courses that have been organized into a category and using these three courses as templates within the Ellis course description so that when new class instances are replicated, it also replicates the Moodle course so that there is a distinct, separate Moodle course for each group of people who might be going through it. So what we're going to do is take it from Moodle courses all the way through tracks at the very end. So these are the Moodle courses that are going to be used as the template. And the first thing I'm going to do is actually create the course descriptions for them. So I'm going to go to my program block and go down to Manage Course Descriptions. And so I'm going to click Add Course Description. And here in the browse for the course template, I am going to assign a course template. And it's going to be course 1. Now that I've created my three course descriptions, I'm going to create a program and add them to the program. So I can go to Manage Programs now. I'm going to add another program. I'm going to say it's got to have 3 required credits because there's 3 courses, and everything else I'm just going to leave blank for now. So I've created the program. Now it's time to add in the course descriptions. I can click on Available to Assign. All 3 of them are named course, so I can select all 3. And assign them as required. So now when I go to currently assigned, I've got my 3 courses. So I've created a program, I've added in the 3 course descriptions now, and now it's time to create a track. And again, this track is going to be a kind of a self-contained instance of the entire program. So we wanted to make one class instance for each of these 3 courses, and also we wanted to replicate that Moodle course because that Moodle course is being used as a true template. So I'm going to go to Tracks, my Tracks tab of this program, and it's saying, again, I'm looking at the program called 3 courses, and I'm going to add a new track. The program's already filled in for me. And I'm going to check this off to create all class instances. Now doing this is not only going to, like I said, create the class instances, but also replicate the Moodle course based on whatever Moodle course has been linked to as a template. So save changes. And it might take a minute or 2 depending on the number of Moodle courses that are being replicated. Also the size of the Moodle courses. This shouldn't take very long because these 3 Moodle courses are pretty much empty. So now we've got our track created. So now we've kind of switched over to manage tracks. Alright, the test track. If I wanted to, I could go and click on my class instances of this test track. And there they are, set to auto enroll. While I'm here, it might also be a good time to go ahead and attach a user set. So again, the user sets are groups of users that have been kind of bound together for some reason. And a good use of a user set would be to attach it to the track so that all of the enrollments happen automatically. So while I'm looking at this particular track, the test track, I'm going to click on the user sets tab, click on available to assign. It's going to show me all of the user sets on the site, and I've got this one user set ready to go, and I'm going to want to click auto enroll, so that way anyone who's added to this track automatically gets added to all of the class instances. And there we go. So we've created the program, added the course descriptions to it, created a track of it, and then added the users to the track through a user set. Just to double check everything, if I go into the list of class instances and I find the ones for this test track, I should be able to see it. Notice the Moodle course is a little different. It added in the name test track at the end of it. So it is a new Moodle course. It's not being linked back to that original template. And if I were to click on the users, the enrollments for each one of these class instances, you'll see that I've got my students 1 through 10 in there. Now the very last thing that you'd probably want to do is move those Moodle courses into a better place, because Moodle courses, Ellis is going to place those newly replicated Moodle courses in the same place as the original ones. And so where there used to be 3 courses in this category, there are now 6. So these would be the original 3 that were used as a template, and then these are the new ones that were created. So most likely you would probably have this original category hidden as a template, and then you would want to come in here, pick these 3, and then move them to a category maybe that's been set up for live courses. And so that way your courses are available and ready, and when the users from that user set logs in, it should automatically appear on their dashboard and they should be enrolled in them.